You know what motherfucking time it is, bro. It's trade recap. Let's fucking do this shit. Okay, so first of all, this is absolutely insane. I was thinking about getting into this trade over here, which I ended up getting into it. And because I entered late, the market structure shift was right at these highs over here. So I ended up going to break even because that is my rule. Once a market structure shift is created, I go break even. That's what I did. Ended up getting stopped out. Same fucking candle, 5 minute time frame. Either way, I was holding for a -2, and once we got past this -1, I was guaranteed going to break even. So I would have got absolutely swiped over here. But that is not the trade that I took today. The trade that I am, well, I did take it, but the trade I'm recapping today is this baby over here. So, first thing, coming into the day, let me actually just get out of here. Stay, no, leave. All right, so coming into today, what did I see? Well, we had a SMT with NASES, right? On top of it, we had a fair value gap. So there's a very strong confidence that we want to have a push higher. That's why hence this candle is green. On the 15-minute SMT fair value gap, beautiful, 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 beautiful. You get the point. Then looking at price over here, very chopped up, disgusting. Go to the 2-minute. Let's see, do we have any better price? We do. So what do we see? We have a manipulation leg. It's so beautiful. Oh my god, makes me wanna, Anyways, then market structure shift at the highs. Inversion for value gap right at this little pookie over here. So if I can mark it out, inversion for value gap, beautiful. So what did I do? Standard deviation from the lows right to the inversion break and -1. Now, yes, as you can see, this was the trade. As you can see, they didn't tap, but I ended up just getting out. Okay, I got out. Got out early. I don't really care. I didn't really catch any trades this week. So what day are we today? We're Tuesday. What do I mean this week, bro? I've only traded one day. Anyways, other than that, that is the freaking recap, bro. So 15-minute higher time frame with the fair value gap, then lower time frame manipulation market structure shift with the inversion, bro. I caught this on live with my students. Students made some bank today. So that's the trade recap, bro. So it's honestly so fucking simple. Like, it's really not hard. I can't believe this actually happened though. Like, this wick, crazy. Anyways, if you liked the video, leave a like, subscribe. Let me know in the comments if you ended up hitting this trade. I'm pretty sure you did. It's quite obvious. I'm pretty sure everyone in the freaking world, even your grandmother, probably hit this trade. And if you want to trade with me, link down below, free trial, and you can also watch me trade live like I did with my students in this trade. Other than that, I'm gonna go hit the gym because I am fucking pumped with energy right now.